Hi everyone. Welcome to our video on how to avoid hair loss for men. Hair loss is a common issue for many men, but it's important to understand that there are ways to prevent it. In this video, we'll be discussing the causes of hair loss, the different types of hair loss, and ways to prevent hair loss. Causes of hair loss. There are many causes of hair loss in men, including genetics, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions. Male pattern baldness, also known as androgenetic alopecia, is the most common form of hair loss in men and is caused by a combination of genetics and hormones. Other causes of hair loss in men include stress, nutrient deficiencies, and certain medications. Types of hair loss. There are several types of hair loss, each with their own unique symptoms and causes. Male pattern baldness is characterized by a receding hairline and thinning crown. Telogen effluvium is a temporary hair loss caused by stress or hormonal changes. Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disorder that causes hair loss in patches. Ways to prevent hair loss. 1. There are several ways to prevent hair loss, including 2. Eating a healthy diet. 3. Reducing stress. 4. Avoiding harsh hair treatments. 5. Using gentle hair care products. 6. Maintaining a healthy weight. 7. Avoiding smoking. 8. Avoiding excessive alcohol consumption. 9. Taking hair supplements if recommended by a doctor. Conclusion. 1. Hair loss is a common issue for many men, but it's important to understand that there are ways to prevent it. 1. By understanding the causes of hair loss, the different types of hair loss, and ways to prevent hair loss, men can take control of their hair health and improve their overall well-being. 1. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.